Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2014 Ford Flex. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench. Step 1, take off the negative terminal first by turning the screw clockwise to unloose the terminal from the negative. But as you can see in this video, what we're doing, we actually sprayed some battery acid remover on the positive terminal of this vehicle. It came in extremely corroded with a lot of battery acid. You can stop by your local auto part place and get some battery acid remover. Just spray it on there, let it sit. It changed colors. This one changed to yellow when it's showing that the acid is being removed. Step 2. Take off your battery bracket, which is located in the center of your battery. As demonstrated in the video, just turn your socket clockwise and those bolts will come loose. Now we're going to try to remove some of this corroded battery acid off this battery itself. To keep this habit for in the future, just stop by your local auto part chain or any national retailer and pick up a can of battery protector terminals. It's like a red spray that you spray on the terminal. It will keep the corrosion from building up on your batteries. We use it actually on a daily basis. That's how we actually recondition our batteries. We use battery cables. And to keep it from getting corroded, because we deal with battery acid on a daily basis, we spray them with the battery protector to protect the cables from building corrosions. So now you take off your positive terminal, which is step 3, as demonstrated right here in the video. But this is so heavily corroded with a lot of battery acid, we have to wiggle it with our hand to even get it off the post itself. Take out your battery, lift it straight up, and insert your new battery. Today we are installing a battery in a 2014 Ford Flex. So now what we're using is a manual battery terminal to remove, the acid inside the terminal itself. So you see all the corrosion stuff just being loosely removed, just falling to the bottom of the battery box itself. This customer is very lucky that he didn't get stranded somewhere, because I'm surprised he had any spark on the positive terminal to even crank it, because it's so corroded with a lot of battery acid. And again, to prevent this from happening in the future, just spray it with some battery terminal protector. You can get it from any national auto part chain. I gotta admit, this probably is the worst case I have ever seen of corrosion built up on a battery. You can just see it on the bottom of this battery box itself. And if this is your first time with stopping by Battery Guys Nation, and we are adding value to you today, please like the video, subscribe. We are uploading daily videos of all makes and models of vehicles, golf carts. We're going to be doing boats. We're going to be doing solar systems. Everything you name it dealing with batteries. Battery Guys is your channel you want to turn into. Also too, we're going to be showing you the process of actually how we recondition batteries. People want to know, how do we do what we do? And we consider it the world's best, which we are inserting this battery into this vehicle, is the world's best reconditioned battery. This vehicle actually takes a group size 65. It normally retails around $189.99 at the low end, with a 2-year warranty. We carry this same battery on our website for $79.99, free delivery to your door, with a 1-year warranty as well. If you want a 2-year, add additional $20. So right under $100, you get a 2-year warranty delivered to your house. So we just installed the positive terminal back onto this vehicle. Next, we're going to install the negative terminal. Always install your negative terminal last, which is included is the ground for this vehicle. So just turn your 10mm wrench clockwise, tighten up the bolt. And the last step is to put back on the battery bracket. I gotta say, this is probably one of the better battery brackets I have seen, because it's very easily accessible to take off and put back on, because you just have those two main little screws, which is 10mm. You just screw them on and tighten them up both sides, and that will complete the installation of your battery bracket. Compared to other battery brackets, they have the hooks underneath. And this is how you install a battery in a 2014 Ford Flex. And again, we'd like to thank all our subscribers for subscribing to the channel.